This is Larry Shover from the CME Group in Chicago with September 17th energy commentary. Well, believe it or not, after a fairly quiet weekend, oil markets are flattish. Right now, down 19 cents. The October futures down 19 cents at 68.80. We did see a range of $1.06, the high at 69.72, low of 68.66. After all the moving pieces, that puts WTI up 2.25% on a 5-day basis, up 593 basis points on a 1-month basis. And when you look at a 3-month basis, we're up about 8%, just shy of 8%. Right now, consensus seems to think that the bullish and bearish outlook for crude are roughly balanced, although definitely more to the upside than the downside. Right now, the market continues to worry about supply disruptions due to geopolitical risks and also the pending sanctions with Iran, Venezuelan output, also spare capacity from OPEC, just to name a few, but all of them thinking they're bigger than expected compared to a slowdown in economic and oil demand growth. Right now, everything seems to be laid out into the market. There are no secrets. The headline risk over the weekend for oil was really small, considering the hurricane actually came and went. But beyond that, the most serious concern with investors seems to be a slowdown of growth due to global trade wars. But that said, you can see where consensus believes that the risks to the oil price going forward are roughly balanced, although a little bit skewed to the upside. One interesting note was that we saw this, according to CFTC data, a little bit of a divergence, or a much bigger divergence than normal, between the buying of Brent crude futures and the selling of WTI. Not out of the ordinary, just that the divergence was a little bit bigger than typical, at least over the last 3 months or so. Going forward, intermediate term, it's still all about demand. Consensus seems to think we'll continue to see 1.5 million barrels a day, following some huge drawdowns. When it comes to non-OECD markets, looking for something that's close to balanced in 2019. I'm Larry Shover from the CME Group in Chicago with September 17th energy commentary.